she want to have fun with anyone. But when I see...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the best, or at least I hope the best microphone for iPhones. Do you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't matter if you're a YouTuber, if you're a music creator, or if you just want to make your audio better for your phone, this video is for you. So without so much talking, let's get it. So yeah, I just received the parcel yesterday, literally, and here it is. You know what I'm saying? I can't be showing my address, you know what I'm saying? I don't want the ops to pull up on me. But yeah, always make sure that you disinfect, you know, the parcels, the box. You know, there's a spray, there's a Dettol spray that you psh psh, or you psh. I'm gonna open it with my trustworthy opener. I can just use my hands to do this. And destroy this. There you go. Listen. Listen. Look at this. You can tell just by looking that, like, this is professional. This is not a joke. No cap. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, comes with a manual. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. This it's way bigger than one. Wow, it will be. This is some raw stuff, you know. This is not a joke. Look at what it comes into. Oh, wow. You know, you can tell from the packaging or something whether or not it's legit stuff or not. Do you know what I'm trying to say? So, let's open it. Wow. Wow. Just wow. So you're telling me this mic comes with this thing? This is how you know this is some real shit. Oops, I shouldn't swear, but I just did. I'm going to tell you about the features of this microphone, okay? This is what it truly looks like. Beautiful mic. It comes with a 90 degrees hinge with left-right rotation for flexible audio and voice recording. But yeah, you can make it move like up to 90 degrees. Not 180, not 360, 90 degrees, you get? Depending on the direction where the voice is coming from, that's where you can adjust it. Do you know what I mean? It's got a mid-side design for clear stereo sound, which is here. You see, here, and here. You know what I'm saying? It makes the sound more clear. Obviously, this is the part you connect to the iPhone, obviously, or whatever Apple device you're using. You can obviously control the mic and obviously do some adjustments and all that through the app, the Gun app. Obviously, I'm going to put everything in the link in the description. Obviously, on the app, you can control the stereo width, 6 presets, infinite mid-side adjustability. Okay, I don't even know what that means, bro. On the app also, you get 5 DSP presets: speech, singing, acoustic, loud, and flat. So yeah, actually you can control all of that. Obviously the mic comes with a windscreen, obviously. That's natural. You can just put the windscreen, pop it in like that, and boom, back out. It comes with a headphone adapter cable and obviously the carrier bag. Now we come into the crucial part. we're gonna put these headphones to the test. I'm gonna compare two footage, one with and one without, and we're gonna see the difference. All right, let's get it.
Round one, fight!
So yeah, this is the first recording without the microphone. I got it in my hands right here. So yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's see which one is better. Recording number 2 with the microphone. So let's see if it's any better. 1, 2, 1, 2. So yeah, as you can see from the previous video here, it's obvious that the quality of the mic is better. There's no crashing, no, you can't hear the wind or nothing. You can literally hear my voice nice and clear. So yeah, literally. If you want one of these microphones for your iPhone, link will be down in the description. I'll love it if you think of purchasing it, buy it through my link, you know. It helps support my channel and everything, you know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and out.